Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Z League 2025. This one is a bit tricky, so make sure you follow along step by step and don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you'll never miss an update. So first things first, there's no direct option to change your age on Z League. If you have noticed when you create your account, Z League asks for your age and there is a note at the bottom of the screen saying you can't change it once it's confirmed, but don't worry, there's still a way. What you need to do is reach out to the Zlink support team. Let me show you how to do that. Open your browser and paste the link I have left in the description below. This will take you to the official Zlink website. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the contact button and click on it. This will open up your Gmail app. Now you're ready to send an email. For the subject, write something like change age in app. In the body of the email, just explain that you made a mistake while creating your account. The sooner you reach out after creating your account, the better your chances of getting a response from having your age updated. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.